Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Are you looking for a guide on how to upgrade from your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so we are now in the Microsoft website, Microsoft support website, and they have an article here titled Getting Ready for Windows 11 Upgrade. So Windows 11 is a new Windows experience bringing you closer to what you love with intuitive navigation and easy organization. Windows 11 has a whole new look, more apps, and efficient ways to be creative and productive. This guide will help you get ready for Windows 11 and make the move. When you sign in with a Microsoft account, your files and favorites will come with your Windows 11, helping you quickly get back to doing what you love. So, decide which device you'll run with Windows 11. With Windows 11, you can run on PCs that meet the minimum hardware requirements. It may come pre-installed on new PCs, or you can be able to upgrade PCs currently running Windows 10. So right now we are on Windows 11. This PC is Windows 11. So if we go to settings, and then when is it Windows Update accounts? No, Windows Update. Right. As you can see here, Windows 11 version 22H2, right? So that's we could download this and update, but we're not going to do that. I'm just showing you that we are already in Windows 11. So, so these are the things that you need to do before you upgrade to Windows 11. So decide which device. So to check your current Windows 10 PC, if you can run Windows 11, download the PC Health Check app once it becomes available. So this is it. This is the and this is from Microsoft. So as you can see here, I can't download this. I'm already Windows 11. If you're running Windows 8.1 or earlier, if your PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements, you need to find a PC that meets the requirements, because you can't just install the OS that your computer can't run. So after that, set up your Microsoft account to transfer files and favorites. One account connects your device across Microsoft apps and services like Microsoft 365, OneDrive, Edge, and Microsoft Store. When you sign in with a Microsoft account on your new Windows 11 device, your files and data will come with you. So that's pretty good. Makes things easier. So back up your files. By default, your files and data will transfer to your new PC. We recommend you back up your files before you install Windows 11. And they have, you can just Google that. So install Windows 11. As you can see, this is, their step-by-step, I guess. This is the fast track. Once the Windows 11 upgrade has been tested and validated for your specific PC, Windows Update will indicate that it's ready for installation. To check if Windows 11 is ready for your device, go to Start, right? And then go to Settings. So let's go Start Settings. Update and security, but we don't have that because we're in Windows 11. It says privacy and security is pretty much that. And then Windows Update, and select check for updates. If the upgrade is available for your device, it's going to show. If it's available on your device, it's going to say you're viable for a Windows 11 update. So yeah, so to do the thing, so open settings, right, and then click on update and security, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. So you're going to see here. So check for updates. If you're up to date, you're going to say up to date. But if you're, as you can see here, like what I said earlier, if you're viable for a Windows 11 upgrade, you're going to say this: upgrade to Windows 11 is ready and it's free. So download and install. Click on download and install, and it's going to download and install Windows 11, and then click restart button afterwards. After you completed the steps, Windows 11 will install on the computer. And after the restart, your PC is gonna be on Windows 11. It's gonna look weird if you've been used to Windows 10 like me. It took me a few days to get. I mean, I'm still getting used to Windows 11, but like you kind of get used to it over time. It's gonna be clunky for the first few days because you're not used to it, but you're going to be able to get used to it over time. Like me, I'm kind of the transition to 10 to 11 is slowly getting a bit better for me. So yeah, so that's how you do it when you have the update. But if you're upgrading Windows 11 from Windows 11 from 10 from the ISO file, these are a different step, a different step-by-step instruction. So if you do this using the ISO file, these are the steps. So step one is open Microsoft support website. And then under the download Windows 11 disk image or ISO section, select Windows 11 option. And then click on download button. Step 4 is select the installation language. And then click the confirm button. Step 6, click the download button to save the Windows 11 ISO file on the device. Step 7, right-click the ISO file, select the Open with submenu, and choose the Windows Explorer option. So apparently you don't need a flash drive anymore. Click on the mounted drive from the left navigation pane. Double-click. Step 9 is double-click the setup file to begin the Windows 11 upgrade process. Step 10, which is optional, click the Change How Windows Setup Downloads Updates option. So as you can see here, Windows 11 setup, change how setup downloads updates. So, and then just click next, right? Step 11, select the Not Right Now option. So, because if you download updates, which is recommended, it's going to take a while. It's going to take a long time, especially if it's not a new PC. Step 12 is click the next button. Step 13 is click the accept button to agree to the terms, as you can see here. Click install. Click the install button to upgrade while keeping your files and apps. Yeah, it's not a full reformat, which is good. You're not going to lose your files, even if you don't back up, but it is advisable to back up your files. So if you want to start fresh with a clean installation of Windows 11, click the change what to keep option, select the nothing option, then click next, and then click on install. Once you complete the steps, the upgrade process will begin, and the computer will restart several times, which is, don't be afraid. After the installation, you won't need to go through the out-of-box experience, OOBE, to finish the setup because most of your previous settings, apps, and files will migrate automatically, so you don't need to do additional steps to get your files back. Upgrade to Windows 11 from Installation Assistant. So this is, I guess, a third option. Alternatively, you can use the Installation Assistant to upgrade any version of Windows 10 to Windows 11. So to do this, open Microsoft support website, which is this. As you can see, download Windows 11. Just click on this one. So double-click the Windows 11 install, the Windows exe file, and then accept and install. And once you complete the settings, the setup will continue to upgrade your computer to the new release of the operating system, and you probably need to do a reboot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.